And the race on business class from the outside 11 yan Queen. Salt Pearl moving up by Deralis Lavi, Famous Girl, Money Bank, Victorian Stones, and Slingshot Effect is running at the tail of the field to a business class, followed by number 2 Lavi, and moving up by Deralis, Famous Girl, Salt Pearl, and down on the inside, Victorian Stones, 11 yan Queen, Slingshot Effect, and Money Bank is now running at the tail of the field to a business class. This time by some 3 lengths Lavi, Famous Girl in second, and on the outside is South Pearl, Victorian Stones, Money Bank also rushing up as they swing for home to a business class. Is still leading by some 2 lengths Lavi, Famous Girl down on the inside, South Pearl, Money Bank, Victorian Stones, 11 yan Queen, Slingshot Effect, and nearing the finish line from start to finish to a business class. Second, close, Victorian Stones, Money Bank, South Pearl, Lavi, is Slingshot Effect, 11 yan Queen, Famous Girl.